Food safety isn't just about ticking boxes, but protecting lives, reputations, and livelihoods. In today's fast paced food industry, one mistake can lead to illness, legal consequences, and loss of trust that's hard to earn back. In this lecture, we will uncover the real world impact of poor food safety practices, from outbreaks and recalls to business shutdowns. You'll learn why proactive prevention matters more than ever, and how HACCP has become the global gold standard for building trust and keeping every bite safe from kitchen to customer. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this session, you'll be able to recognize the top food safety risks in the modern food service industry, understand how poor safety leads to contamination, illness, and business damage, see the connection between HACCP and preventing real-world hazards, the hidden dangers in everyday kitchens. You might not see the risk, but it's there. A cutting board used for raw chicken and vegetables without cleaning. Undercooked food was sent out on a busy night. A fridge that's slightly too warm. Each of these can lead to dangerous outcomes, like salmonella, listeria, or E. coli bacteria that can cause serious illness or even death. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 10 people globally falls ill every year due to contaminated food. In the US alone, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, estimates around 48 million people get sick annually from foodborne illnesses. The business risk is just as real. Poor food safety doesn't just hurt customers, it damages reputations, causes legal penalties, and can shut down a business. A single incident can trigger bad reviews, media coverage, lawsuits, and government fines. Let's take an example. In 2015, a major restaurant chain in the US faced multiple foodborne illness outbreaks linked to E. coli and norovirus. Dozens were hospitalized. The brand's stock value dropped by over 40%, and recovery took years. The role of HACCP in prevention. That's where HACCP, hazard analysis and critical control points, comes in. It's not a checklist, but a mindset. HACCP shifts the focus from reacting to a problem after it happens to preventing it before it starts. Here's how. You identify what could go wrong, like cross-contamination or temperature abuse. You locate where those risks are most likely to occur in the process. You set clear controls and actions to prevent those risks from happening. It's a proactive safety system, and it's required or recommended by food authorities worldwide. Example: a small bakery in London adopted a HACCP plan after failing a routine inspection. They identified that their custard was not being cooled fast enough. By adjusting their process, adding a blast chiller and logging times, they passed their next audit and avoided a full closure. Their case was even used in local food safety training. Here's a helpful tool for this: Food Safety Risk Awareness Checklist. Before you move on, take 5 minutes to walk through this mental checklist. Are your staff trained in safe food handling? Do you check fridge and freezer temperatures daily? Are allergen risks clearly labeled and controlled? Do you have a cleaning schedule for high-touch areas? Are raw and cooked foods stored and prepped separately? Even if the answer is sort of, this course will show you how to turn that into a clear yes, backed by systems, not guesswork. Food safety isn't just about avoiding penalties, it's about protecting people. And HACCP isn't about paperwork. It's about building a system that makes safety part of your everyday kitchen habits.